What's the best trading day you've had thus far?
The best trading day I've had in one day
Yeah. People want to know.
over. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Stevenson Lindor, and I got a special guest here with me. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, man. Another one, Miss Megan Johnson.
Hey,
What's going on? What's going on?
nothing much, nothing much. How are you?
I'm doing awesome, and I'm super excited about this interview. And the reason being, guys, like Megan, one, she's about how many away from popping out that baby of yours?
Sheesh, about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks. And guess what? She's making money in the market. So, I'm here with another interview, and we're going to talk to Megan and ask her, her story, her journey, how a pregnant woman right now is making money in the foreign exchange market, how she's doing it, how she's accomplishing it, and we're gonna get right into it. So Megan, I'm gonna start like, how'd you get started in Forex trading?
Well, to be honest, I was just connected with the right person. I got started with my spouse. He actually started trading Forex a couple of 7 years ago. And I grew up in a household, like a single family home household. I'm the only child. So I was always taught, like, go to school, find a good job, retire from that job, and just work until you retire. And, as it started going, I'm seeing him making all this money, and I'm coming home making half of that. I'm like, okay, maybe I should get into what you're doing. Like, I wanted that sense and that feeling of time freedom, being able to get up and go whenever I want to go, do whatever I want to do on my time, and having enough money for it, not just penny nickel and dime in my pocket. So I just took that leap of faith. I jumped straight for it, and I've been trading ever since then. And I'm thankful that I did.
Woo! Okay. So let me ask you, you're saying that basically your boyfriend got you involved in this, and shout out to Rich off the net, of course. And be honest, when you first got introduced to it and you first took your first trade, how did you feel? Like, what was your reaction?
I'm like, you mean to tell me all I had to do was press a few buttons on my phone and I made this in a matter of seconds? Like, no, it's a catch to this. Like, it gotta be a catch. And so, like, I didn't know, I had no clue what I was doing. He's like, press this, press this. I pressed it. I seen blue. He said, blue mean money. I'm like, money? Like, but it's on my phone. Like, how? So it just, like, it happened like that. I'm like, okay, it gotta be some type of catch. So I did it again. Like I said, didn't know what I was doing, and it happened again. So I'm like, okay, so if this is happening, I have no clue what I'm doing. I can only imagine how much money I could make when I actually fully, like, tap into it and really know what I'm doing.
So, but here's the thing, though, all right, because the viewers got to know it can't be that easy because let's be honest, a lot of people do fail when it comes to trading forex. So, how is it you were able to just come in and win so fast?
Definitely, I guess definitely part of the community I'm part of. Definitely the mentors that I was connected to, they had a lot to do with it. I just got put at the right place at the right time with the right mentorship and right community.
So, since you're talking about community, I always like to say, it takes a village to raise a child, right? So, same thing with, I would assume, when it comes to forex trading, you want to be around other successful traders. So, you're telling me the moment you got put into this community, you've been able to, take all that knowledge, all that information, and use it to your advantage?
Correct. Right. So, I had him, but it was just, at first it was him. So I'm like, okay, let me tap into our community to where I have access to other people that are successful, other people that's just joining or just understanding Forex. So once I did that, it made a complete circle. Like, I was able to ask questions. I was able to reach out to mentorships. I was able to hop on webinars and get trainings and things of that nature. So it really helped, like, level me up from not knowing nothing to knowing something.
Okay. So you mean to tell me, pregnant and all, you're doing 3 weeks, you're still cashing out in the market, and all you're doing is basically leveraging this community?
Correct. Leveraging off the community, leveraging off of everything that we have access to in our community, from trainings to webinars or signals. It's definitely helped me with this pregnancy. Like, I don't have that worry of, oh man, like, once I have my child, like, I'm gonna have to go back go back to work. Like I could literally just make it off my phone. Thankfully.
So, all right. So let's get into it. So, what type of money are we talking about here? Like, are we talking a few dollars here, or are we talking like life-changing income?
Definitely life changing. I could honestly say like my one of my what I thought was my biggest trading days was actually last Friday, because I know y'all see with the economy going on and everything, us traders are still like making money off of it because it's just crazy. And thankful for the webinars that I've hopped on. I've been able to implement myself in the markets at the right time. And like I said, I thought last Friday was my biggest trading day. Last Friday, I withdrew 4,900 off the market. And this is just proof my Cash App. Like I literally got it like instantly.
4,900. All right, hold on. 4,900.
Yes.
All right, we gotta. All right, so how about this? Let's do this for everybody watching because I truly believe seeing is believing. Why don't we take a look at this community? You walk me through and you explain to me how somebody watching this right now can take advantage of this. Sound cool?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So I'm going to share my screen here. We're going to go over to that wonderful community and we're going to really see what's going on. All right, perfect. Everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
All right. So what we got going on over here? Meg, talk to me. What's this about?
Okay, so this is our main like landing page for our community. This is where we interact at. This part right here is where we invite all of our guests to. We show, because it's not just me making money. Almost everyone in our group is making money. So this particular part of our platform is showing, different people in our community that's making money currently right now at this moment. So that's our guest room. That's where we show everything. Then we have our lounge.
Got our lounge. I see that channel right there.
And that's where you could like literally go and you could ask questions. You're never alone. Like we don't just, you don't just partner with us and we throw you to the wolves. Like you could literally come in here, ask any questions that you may have, anything that you're confused on, anything. This is just like like a group chat. It's like a group chat where we come in here, we talk, motivational calls, everything is dropped in our lounge. Like we're able to do everything in here.
Okay, so you got a lounge, you got a guest room where people are invited. They can basically see results. So what else? Like where are the results? Where is like everybody really winning that?
Okay. Then we have our if you look to the left, we have our charts. This is where our top educator in our community drops his charts there, and it's basically like a setup for like us to be able to look at charts and know when we're going to enter into the market. Not similar to a signal, it's actually making yourself the signal. It's teaching you how to become the signal and when to enter the market and when to take out the market. But we also have another chat we call our signal chats, which I call the money making chat, because it is literally like a text message popping up on my phone, and I'm copying and pasting signals that are being sent to me from our top traders in our community.
I see. So these are signal chats. So let's take a look here. Like, okay. All right. Somebody made an extra $118 today. Take profit.
Yeah, so that's our profit chat.
All right. I like this. Okay. This was yesterday, over $300. I'm liking this. So you're saying literally, so somebody will come into this community, they'll get access to this entire environment.
Correct.
Just being a part of, like, I like this. This is that I would think the average person out there would need access to this because again, so many traders out there are struggling and they're always trying to find like where to go. The number one thing that I always get as far as messages, as far as emails, everything like that is, where can I go to truly learn, to tap in where I feel comfortable? I'm going to get the right knowledge, right information, and most importantly, be around the right people. So
you definitely have that here.
I can see that.
Definitely have it here. You definitely have that community. You definitely have where you need to go to be able to learn it. And you definitely can earn while you learn because you'll have our profits, our signals that'll be sent to you.
Wow, look at this. This was today, actually.
Yeah, this is just today. So this is somebody who just recently joined. She took her first trade and literally had a
Wow.
three-figure day within her first trade.
100. Listen, like that's not bad. All right.
At
You
all.
know what the average person makes with their 9 to 5. What is it? Around two to $3,000 a month. So if you're doing $162 a day,
A day.
you're averaging over $2,000 a month just from hitting a bunch of buttons on your cell phone.
That we give to you.
That's crazy. Wow, this is $600. This is insane right here. I like this.
So I'm definitely thankful for the community that we're part of. I definitely don't think that I'll be as far as I am right now without our community. Definitely life changing. Definitely.
Whoa, yo, joined this wonderful team yesterday. Already 300 plus pit. Yo, that's insane.
So people are definitely coming in making profits within 24 hours of joining. It's just all about plugging in with the right people, plugging in with the right community, getting the right education, and being with a winning team that's going to hold your hand throughout the way.
This is insane. I've never seen anything like this. I've never, usually when I seek a community or education, they'll send me a couple screenshots. It sounds good. It looks good. And it's usually from that person. But I've never seen multiple people like this where, people are like literally saying in the comments, yo, I'm doubling my account. Like this person, another one, doubled their account in 4 hours. Look at that. It was at 398, now over. Like that's crazy. That's sick. That's sick. So not only are you going to learn how to trade, I hear that you can also build a residual income.
Right.
Right. Yeah. So talk to me about that. How does that work?
So at first, I was the type of person that I'm like, this is pretty simple. I could just copy paste and profit. I'm going to keep it to myself. Like I'm not going to show nobody. But especially with what's going on with the world right now, once I realized like how simple it is, I'm like, other people have to see this. Like they have to be a part of this. Like they have to see like how easy it is to turn your phone and say ATM. So with that being said, the community that we're part of, when we personally bring in 2 people into the community, we get absolutely access to all of this for free. So not only do you have access to it for free, but you're now a business owner. You now own a business and you're making money daily trading from your phone. But it doesn't even stop there. The more people you bring in, if you get a team of 6, like they reward you. They reward you residual income of $600, which equals out to about $150 every single Friday. So what I like about that is that it's like now I'm not using my own money to trade. Every Friday when I get my residual, I put my money into my broker's account and I make money off of money that was given to me just by showing people this community, this platform. This turning their phone into ATM and not just a bill, which I feel is awesome. And here's a couple of people here that in our community that has done that. They came in, they seen how easy it was to trade. This girl came in and hit it instantly. She's now platinum 150. With that, you're earning 150 a month. That's paying for your membership with us.
That's sick. That's crazy. And exactly with everything going on right now, I know people are looking for ways to supplement their income.
Right.
For some type of residual, passive income coming in, right? So the fact that people can come in, be part of not only a profitable community, but then just for referring people, you can leverage that and make a nice residual income. And you got another person right over here, right?
Yeah, so she hit the rank of platinum 600, which is the one I was talking about. She's now earning residually $600 a month. So in return, she's able to invest that into her broker account and change that into, the amount is endless here, as you can see.
That's crazy. That's sick. That is super sick. And as I can see, the money just keeps going. Just refer. All right. So how about this? I like everything that I'm seeing here, and I always want to give something to my audience, right?
Right.
So how about we give them free access to the guest room so they can have a look for themselves?
I
right?
think that'll be awesome. Because I
You
mean,
think
it's
that?
always good to hear somebody saying something and, you know, we showing them, but for them to actually be able to tap in on their own phone and go look for themselves, I think that's pretty dope.
All right, so how about this, guys? So below the description over here, you're not only going to be able to join the link to jump into this free community, right? No different than going into a car showroom, right? They're allowing you to see the vehicles. They're allowing you to see the capabilities of what these, machines can do. So we're doing the same thing over here. So Megan's going to allow you guys to jump in through her link, right? It'll be at the below the description here, right? Follow her at The Rich Family, all right? That's her YouTube link right there. Give them your Instagram as well.
You can follow me on Instagram as lovelymeg_. And then, you have the access to be able to join straight into our community, but you can also email me at partnerwithmeg, that's MEG@yahoo.com.
All right, excellent, excellent, excellent. I love that so much. So, this was a wonderful, wonderful interview right here. I'm glad I got to do this with you guys. You heard it first, right? She's pregnant. She's 3 weeks due. and she's still making money. I'll be honest with you. I've personally worked with people, women specifically, where they've had to literally up until their due date work at their jobs just for a measly like $500.
That's correct.
Where you can learn a skill set like this, plug into the right community, right, and be at home. Be at home, just a click of a button, and then you get to leverage other educators. You get to leverage people like myself, the team, other leaders who are going to show you exactly how to make money. You see all those success stories? So that's duplicatable. You didn't just see Megan. No, you saw a bunch of random people winning here, right? So once again, guys, you want to get plugged in. So the link to join the community is going to be below this video in the description box, all right? Once again, follow Megan on her YouTube channel. Let them know.
YouTube channel is The Rich Family. You can email me as well at partnerwithmeg@yahoo.com.
All right, excellent, excellent. That's it, folks. There you go.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Megan.
Wait, Steve, before I let you go, I want to ask you a couple of questions and for my followers so they can actually get tips from a 7-figure trader as well.
Okay, cool. So if you want to see the rest of this interview, guys, we're going to go over to the Rich Families channel, right? You're going to hit the link right there. Watch the rest of this interview and boom, you're going to get some tips from a 7-figure trader.